Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard jeans soft, only way. Start by washing jeans in warm water with a cup of white vinegar and half cup of baking soda. Then tumble dry on low with dryer balls and clean tennis shoes to soften fibers. Massage fabric between cycles and repeat if needed until desired softness is achieved, while avoiding bleach and high heat that damage fibers. Soak jeans in a solution of 2 cups warm water, 1 cup white vinegar, and half cup baking soda for 1 hour to relax fibers and remove stiff residues. Gently knead and rinse thoroughly, then spin dry briefly. Finish by air drying until slightly damp, then tumble low with dryer balls for 15 to 20 minutes to restore softness and shape while preserving color and fabric integrity. Repeat weekly if jeans are new or extra stiff. Quick recommendation: if you like practical kitchen gear, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers shown here. They make life easier and pair surprisingly well with busy laundry days. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tips. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and grab what helps you most enjoy, then get ready. Now let's get back to the video. Use dryer balls or clean tennis shoes in the dryer to create gentle agitation that softens denim without fabric softener buildup. Avoid chemical softeners and high heat and opt for gentle detergents. Stretch and shape jeans while damp to prevent stiffness and preserve fit. Store jeans folded or hung to maintain softness, and always test a hidden seam before using any new treatment to ensure color fastness and fabric safety. Simple care keeps denim comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.